In this video, we will see how to build a monostable multivibrator using IC555. In the previous video, we saw the internal working of the IC555. The IC555 in itself works like a bistable multivibrator. The output can be controlled by using the pins 2 and 6. The output can be set to 0 by making the voltage at pin 6 greater than 2 by 3 VCC. Similarly, it can be set to 1 by making the voltage at pin 2 less than 1 by 3 VCC. In order to convert this circuit into a monostable multivibrator, we somehow need to make one of the two states as quasi-stable. This can be done by making the use of an RC branch as shown. Pin 6 and pin 7 are shorted. Pin 5 is grounded by a 10 nanofarad capacitor to provide immunity from noise. Assume that the flip-flop is initially reset. That is, the output Q is 0 and Q bar is 1, driving the discharge transistor into saturation. Due to this, the externally connected capacitor C is discharged. Pin 2 is kept high. Now, when a negative trigger is applied to pin 2, the output of the comparator C becomes high. Thus the output of the flip-flop becomes high and the discharge transistor gets turned off. Due to this, the capacitor C starts charging towards VCC. Once the voltage across at VC reaches 2 by 3 VCC and exceeds a bit, the output of the comparator C1 becomes high. Therefore, the flip-flop is reset and the output Q becomes 0 again. Q bar becomes high, thus making the discharge transistor to switch on. So, the capacitor C gets discharged and the circuit is restored back to the stable state. Therefore, whenever a negative trigger is applied to pin 2, we get a pulse of a specific width at the output. We write the charging equation of the capacitor C to find the width of this pulse. The capacitor is discharged initially and at time t it reaches a voltage 2 by 3 VCC. Substituting and simplifying we get T equal to RC into ln 3, which is around 1.1 times RC. Therefore, the pulse width can be controlled by changing the values of R and C, the external components. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.